Today, let's discuss a crucial part of an essay, and that is the thesis. A thesis is a concise statement that expresses the central idea or main argument of a piece of writing, particularly in an essay or research paper. I even used to call it the single dominant impression. Beginning writers have a hard time doing this because they have a tendency to write about everything all at once. So, a thesis presents the writer's position or the primary point they will discuss and defend throughout the text. It guides both the writer and the reader, outlining what to expect from the essay's content. If you're a writer, it allows you to identify details. So you are only going to choose details that support your main idea and discard details that do not support it. While those details may be valid and true and correct, if they do not support your main idea, do not include them in your essay. Here is an example of an argumentative thesis. And an argumentative thesis argues for a single position. So here's an example. The increasing reliance on renewable energy source is crucial for combating climate change and promoting sustainable development.